guys, it's me Yoana. Welcome back to Yoana Art. Stay inspired everyone. Today I'll be doing a watercolor spraying art on watercolor paper. So let's get straight on to the video. Before we get straight on to the video, I want to take this time and opportunity to wish all my friends and family a very safe and happy Diwali. So let's get straight on to the video. Stay inspired everyone. Okay, my friends, so I really want to show you my colorful painting. So let's get straight on to it. So as you can see, there's like fireworks, my Dylan, happy Diwali. So these are like the spring technique I use. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a big fat like on this video, guys, and turn on the bell so you get notification, guys. Stay tuned to the next drawing or painting. Stay inspired. Happy Diwali, my friends.